Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Propane Conversion Kit is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your home appliances, seamlessly switching your propane-powered devices to utilize readily available and often cheaper natural gas, saving you money on fuel costs in the long run and reducing your carbon footprint. This video will guide you through everything you need to know before buying and installing one, helping you choose the right kit for your specific needs and ensuring a safe and efficient conversion process. Number 5. Blackstone 5249 Conversion Kit. This kit makes switching your Blackstone griddle from propane to natural gas easy and efficient. It includes everything you need for a smooth conversion. You'll receive a 10-foot natural gas hose, quick connect fitting, orifices, thread check gauges, and an orifice wrench, all the essentials for a successful conversion. It's designed for use with Blackstone 28-inch and 36 griddles, tailgaters, range top combos, and a single burner Rex stove. Check your model for compatibility. Simply follow the included instructions for a straightforward conversion process. You'll be cooking with natural gas in no time. Please note that it is not designed for Blackstone 17-inch and 22 griddles, pizza ovens, or griddles with air fryers. Check compatibility before purchasing. Enjoy the convenience and cost savings of natural gas with this easy-to-use conversion kit. Order yours now. What we like. This kit contains everything you need for conversion, making setup a breeze. It's specifically designed for various Blackstone griddles, ensuring a perfect fit. If you own a Blackstone griddle and want a simple conversion, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation process was remarkably straightforward. The kit comes with clear and concise instructions, making it easy for even someone with limited DIY experience to set up. I was able to complete the conversion quickly, and it worked seamlessly with my griddle. What impressed me the most was the reliability of the kit. Since the conversion, I haven't encountered any problems or issues. It provides a consistent and steady supply of natural gas to my griddle, ensuring even and efficient cooking every time I use it. The conversion kit's build quality is also noteworthy. It feels durable and well-made, assuring me that it will last for a long time. The components fit perfectly and securely, leaving no room for leaks or instability. Number 4. Blackstone Gas Conversion Kit. This kit lets you switch your Blackstone griddle from propane to natural gas. Enjoy the convenience and cost savings of natural gas. It's built with durable, high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and safety. The connectors and accessories are made of solid brass for superior reliability. This kit is compatible with many Blackstone models, including the 28 and 36-inch griddles and the tailgater. Please check compatibility before purchasing. It comes with everything for a complete conversion: a 10-foot hose, fittings, an orifice wrench, and multiple orifices. No need to buy extra parts. Installation is straightforward. Just add thread sealant, not included, and follow the instructions. You'll be cooking with natural gas in no time. Say goodbye to propane tanks. Cook your next meal with the consistent, cost-effective power of natural gas. What we like. It boasts superior materials for durability and longevity, providing peace of mind with its CSA certification. This ensures safe and reliable performance for years to come. If safety and lasting quality are your priorities, this kit is the ideal choice. What people say. Took my 36 Blackstone from propane to natural gas, so I no longer have to take those trips to the gas station for a refill. Hooked up to my outlet on the back patio super easy and was a great fit. Install took a bit but was not hard at all and functions perfectly. The kit fits a number of different grills, so you have to follow the directions and get the correct tips. They give you the tools needed to remove the tips, but I found it easier to use a socket. A quick test after installation and it works great. I feel the flat top heats up quicker and got hotter than propane. Easy to install, quality components, does what it's supposed to. Number 3. 10 feet natural gas hose kit. It includes a short 2.13-foot hose, a 10-foot hose, and a 5-water column range regulator. Everything you need for a complete conversion. This kit easily converts your cooking range or grill from propane to natural gas. It's a simple solution for a common problem. It's designed for low-pressure applications only, so please ensure it's not used above 12 psi. Keep it away from any open flames. This kit is built to high standards, easy to install, and connects securely. It's not an original manufacturer part, but it meets the same quality requirements. The kit is designed for simple assembly and connection to your gas supply. No special tools are needed for installation. Please double-check the dimensions before ordering to ensure a proper fit. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll assist you promptly. What we like. This kit includes a low-pressure regulator for safety and compatibility with various appliances. It comes with 2 hose lengths for added flexibility and convenience. If you need a versatile option for different setups, this kit is perfect for you. Number 2. Aupoko 710-0003 Gas Grill Conversion Kit. This kit has everything you need to convert your propane grill to natural gas. It's a simple and safe way to switch fuels. It offers 2 modes, one for natural gas and another for propane. You can easily switch between them as needed. The 10-foot hose is CSA certified for safety and reliability. It features a quick connect system for easy installation and removal. This kit is designed for easy installation, even for beginners. All the necessary parts and fittings are included. It's compatible with many gas grills, including several KitchenAid models. It also works with other appliances like fire pits. We stand behind our product. Contact our customer support team if you have any questions or issues. What we like. It offers both propane and natural gas modes, providing ultimate flexibility. The Quick Connect feature makes installation and removal effortless. If you need a versatile kit compatible with various grills and want easy installation, this is it. What people say. Did the job, very nice. This is a quality kit which helped us to have our grill connected to house gas. They came quick and am pleased with the built quality of the product. Number 1. Blackstone 5249 NG Conversion Kit. This kit makes switching your Blackstone griddle from propane to natural gas a breeze. It's designed for easy installation and comes with everything you need. Everything is included, a 10-foot hose, fittings, an orifice wrench, and multiple orifices to ensure compatibility. No extra purchases are required. It boasts a high-quality construction with solid brass and upgraded rubber for superior safety, durability, and longevity. The kit is CSA certified for your peace of mind. This kit fits many Blackstone models, including the 28 and 36 griddles, as well as the tailgater and range top combos. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Installation is simple, and it's flexible enough for various uses, indoors, outdoors, camping, or even winter heating. The included Velcro and dust plugs make storage a snap. Now you can enjoy longer, uninterrupted BBQs without worrying about running out of propane. It's perfect for family gatherings and parties. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary components, eliminating the need for extra purchases. The high-quality hose ensures a safe and reliable connection. If you value convenience and a hassle-free installation, this is the best option for you. What people say. Works perfectly. I was able to install in less than an hour. Very nice product. Included everything I needed to convert my 24 Blackstone to use natural gas. Quality of components was good and I haven't had any issues with it since installing about 2 months ago. Converted out propane grill to natural gas. This worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.